Hey YouTube, it's your girl Ashley and I'm back to do another video, and this video is going to be a hair unboxing from a hair company called Deeva Extensions. Now, Deeva Extensions is a Toronto-based hair company run by this beautiful girl named Doreen, and I'm so excited and happy that she has decided to work with me in being a brand ambassador for her hair. So Doreen, thank you again so much for this amazing opportunity. So Deeva Extensions specializes in all types of virgin hair. They got straight, they got curly, they got kinky curly, they got that nice yaki texture hair. They have all types of different hair. I will leave all of her information right here, so you guys can definitely go ahead and check out their website. I received 3 bundles of their Brazilian straight hair, and it came wonderfully packaged in this bag here. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you all the things about the hair. So first things first, the bag came packaged really nicely. Firstly, in a bag that has the company name on it, and it says Deeva Extensions, and the other side also says the same thing also. And let me tell you guys, her packaging is amazing. Like, I was pretty blown away when I saw how the hair comes packaged, and every single order of hair comes packaged like this also. So it's amazing, so nice, and I'm a sucker for packaging. If packaging is really nice, then you're already 2 thumbs up in my book. So once you take the hair out of the bag, it comes in this really pretty sparkly black box, and I don't know if you guys can see the sparkles in the box, but oh my god. And this is a sturdy box. Like, this box you can use to store stuff. I'm probably gonna store hair in this box, extra bundles, or I'm gonna store makeup or something in this box, because this box is just so nice and so sturdy. I love it. I've never seen hair packaged in something like this. So like I said before, I did receive 3 bundles. I have an 18-inch, and each of the bundles come in their own separate baggie with the inches on it. So this is my 18-inch, this is my 16-inch, and this is my 14-inch. And also in the box, she also included a card that says Deeva Extensions on it, and in the back it just says, on the back it just says what I got. So I got their straight hair, I got it in chocolate brown, which is a number 2, and I got a 14, 16, and 18-inch, and then a card that has all of her information on it as well. So like I said, I will leave all of her information right here, as well as in the description box, so you guys can go and check it out. And if you are some GTA girls, then definitely hit up this company to get your hair. I know it's hard for us to get virgin hair sometimes. Sometimes we gotta order from the States, sometimes we gotta order from AliExpress, but you can get hair here locally, you guys. For my GTA girls, my Brampton girls, my Mississauga girls, my Scarborough girls, y'all check out Deeva Extensions so you can get your virgin hair locally. You gotta support your local companies. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and open each bundles and pretty much just look at the hair and see how it is, so I can tell you guys the quality of the hair and everything. So this is my 14-inch bundle, and oh my gosh, let me tell you guys, this hair is so soft. Oh my god, I don't think I've ever had straight hair feel this soft before, ever. Like, wow, this hair feels amazing. And I don't know if you guys can see the luster of the hair, but it is so soft. Oh my god, this hair is so soft. So let me stop saying how soft the hair is and actually look at the hair. Now, the tract or the weft is constructed really nicely. It's nice and neat, and there's no frayed hairs at the top. And hair obviously has no funny smell, not like it was packaged from abroad or anything like that. So wow, this hair feels amazing, and it is a good size weft, and the hair is pretty thick right down to the bottom. So yes, the 14-inch is looking great. So let me go ahead and open the 16-inch. Okay, so this is my 16-inch bundle, and this hair is so soft, you guys. Like, this hair is like silky soft. It feels so healthy, feels so good. The ends are not trashy or anything, as you can see. Like, this hair feels amazing. And with this weft also, it is constructed really nicely and very neat. The hair looks really good and no smell, like I said. So Wow, this hair feels so soft, and the color of the hair is like a 2. It is a chocolate brown. I'm not sure if you guys can tell from the video, but it is a chocolate brown. I may or may not dye this hair to more of like a black 1B color, just because my natural hair is a 1B, and I'm gonna be getting this professionally installed with like a sew-in, so I might dye it just so my hair blends a little bit better with it, but I'm not sure yet. But if I do dye the hair, then I'll definitely let you know once I do my initial install video. So yes, this hair is feeling so soft. Like, I'm gonna be slaying with this straight hair. Okay. Now on to the 18-inch, and let me just show you guys how it comes packaged. So of course it comes in a little plastic baggie, and like I said, it has the inches on the top, and it is secured with an elastic band right here and a little plastic baggie. So what I do is I just take off the elastic band from the top, and then I just open the little flap that's on the bottom, and I just let the hair slide down. And then the hair also has this silver band here, as well as an elastic band also to keep it nice and secure. And this is the 18-inch, and this hair is long. Like, let me tell you where this is reaching me. This is reaching me all the way underneath my boob. So yes, this hair is gonna be so long, and oh my gosh, I cannot wait to get this hair installed. Like, this hair is gorgeous. It is so pretty, and like I said before, weft construction in this is really nice too. So all in all, this is the 3 bundles. I cannot wait to get this hair installed, and yes, this hair is feeling absolutely amazing. So like I said before, thank you so much, Deeva Extensions, for working with me and becoming a brand ambassador for your company. Your hair quality is amazing this far, and I cannot wait to get it installed. And for all of you girls out there, even if you are in the States, she does have worldwide shipping. So if you guys are interested, you can definitely order from her as well. But especially my local girls, make sure you guys support her and definitely check out her hair company. I will leave all the specs down below. And yes, thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this hair unboxing video, definitely give me a thumbs up. Leave any questions or comments down below, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you'll be notified when I have another upload. Bye.